Bad choices, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to discard all of your cards. Shuffle the deck and deal 6 cards to each player. Players look at their own cards, but should keep them hidden from others. Place the remainder of the deck face down on the table. The player to the left of the last person who arrived goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you must ask one question from a card in your hand to any other player. If they answer yes, then you get to discard that card. If they answer no, then you must keep the card and try again later. Players may only answer questions with a yes or no, and they must answer honestly. Once a player has given their answer, your turn ends and the next player goes. On your turn, instead of asking a question, you may instead choose to skip your turn to swap out cards from your hand to draw new ones from the deck. You may also play a draw +1 or +2 card on another player to make them draw that number of cards from the deck. However, that player may choose to respond by playing a draw card of their own, requiring you to draw the cards instead. You may respond with another draw card if you like, turning it back on them. This process repeats until one of you cannot play a draw card. Then that player will draw the cards for each draw card played. No other player may interfere with an exchange like this by playing a draw card of their own. On your turn, instead of a question, you may discard a skip. If you do, choose one player to skip their next turn. You can also discard an all-play card to ask every other player the question, and everyone must answer. If the majority answer is a no, then you must draw one card. Once you have one card remaining in your hand, you must declare it to everyone. If you don't by the time your turn is over and another player catches you, then you must draw one additional card. If you play a draw card as your last card, the other player still has an opportunity to play a draw card of their own. The first player to discard all the cards in their hand is the winner.